you know, money's tight and we're on a budget. So here I am cutting up chicken because, you know, I'm a lazy fucker, but didn't want to cut it. Here I am seasoning, and all the seasonings that I used, I'll list them. And then now we're just making some taco wraps to go as a side. I also did some refried beans as another side and some corn, but I didn't make the video of the corn. And then here I am putting out my wife's plate. She did some chicken and cheese, some salsa, cilantro and lime. And then we had all of our sides on the side.